Hey y'all, so for some of my folks who are going to be out for a little while and you're going to be trying to use Schoology, I thought I'd make a little video just to show you how to get there easily, in case you have any questions or anything. But you're just going to start at Clever, and just like always, you're just going to sign in here. Let's see if I can find the, there we go. When you get here, you're going to look for something called Schoology. And it could be up there. It might be, you know, anywhere in through here. But just find it. It's going to see, it might be right here. Schoology. And you're going to click here. And it's going to ask for a username. And my name will probably pop up. You don't want to use my name. You're going to click use another account. If that doesn't pop up, that's fine. It might just go on. But I'm going to give you your email and your password for this. I'm not going to show it on here real quick. I'm just going to kind of pan down here, so I don't want this all over the internet. And I'm going to type in this. And then after you do that, it's going to ask for your password. So I'm going to do the password. And then it's going to load Schoology. Okay. And if you've been there, if it's the first time you've been there or they've been there, it's going to take you through these little, like here, this is what this, like a little tutorial. Just click through everything because I'm fixing to show you everything you need. Next. Okay, we got it. All right, so it's going to pop up here, and these are all the courses that they're in. The main ones you're going to worry about are going to be English, which is the green. Okay, it's going to ask you, it's going to take you through some of the, okay, got it. And it's just going to have the week. Like this is the week we're on right now. And you're just going to click on the week. And then you can see here they're organized by date of the assignment. So today's the 22nd, so that's the last one that's on there for now. But like tomorrow will be the 23rd. So there'll be some that say April the 23rd. And you're just going to click on the assignments for the appropriate date. And do whatever Miss Lehman Jones has got there for us for that day. If you need to go back to courses, you're going to click up here. And it'll open these back up again. Of course, you might have a little tutorial too. Okay, got it. Let's go back to courses. So English is you're going to worry about. Math. Now there's some math tools here. And it just says this contains links to interactive math tools you can use with any lesson. So that's not going to have like a date, but if you want to use, if you need like digital counters or tens or ones or 10 frames or anything, they're going to be in there. But you have the week. You click on the week, and then they're organized by date. So you'll just click on the date. And of course next week, if they're gone for next week, this week will, the April the 19th to the 23rd will be gone, and the week that we're on will be there. You know, like go back to courses, maybe. And the other one you'll need to worry about is reading. So English, math, and reading are the ones that I want y'all to worry about. The same thing with reading. There's a thing here about author sites if you just want to get through and look at different author sites, but the one you want to look at is the one that says week of, and just like I said, they'll be organized by date. So if there's like 3 for that date, you'll have to do all 3. But that's just a little run through of Schoology and how to get to it and how to get to your work for each day. And if you have any other questions, please let me know. Bye.